Everyone, welcome to Fans Tech Lab. In the previous video, we have learned how to create a Spring Boot project using Spring Initializer. In this video, we will learn how to run it. Now, as you know, we had earlier downloaded the first project. Here is the structure of that project. So now, there are a few prerequisites to run this Spring Boot project in my local machine. The first one is there should be a Java installed in the machine. A proper JDK version which is compatible with the Spring Boot version is required. So as you can see here, we had selected 3.4.4 version and it requires at least Java 17 and we have options of Java 21 and 24 as well. In our machine, we had already installed JDK versions 1.8 and 21 and 24. Now, as we are using Spring 3.4, I have added in my local machine the JDK version as JDK 21. So now the second prerequisite which is required is a IDE, integrated development environment. For example, Intellij Idea or Eclipse or Spring Boot Suite SDS. Any of these can be used or Visual Studio Code can also be used. So I had installed Intellij Idea in my machine. You can install Intellij Idea Community Edition. It is free. Now let me open this. I had previously opened this project through Intellij Idea, so it is taking it from there. If you want to open a new project, you can do it from File and Open and select the project root directory. That's all. Now, the second prerequisite is also satisfied. Then the third prerequisite we need is Maven. So you already know that we had installed such a Maven also in our local machine. And we can check with MVN again version command. As you can see, patch Maven 3.9.9 is installed in my local machine. So now the third prerequisite is also available. The fourth one is any database is required. Even though if the database is not required, if it is not present, even in that case also we can connect to some remote database also. For example, AWS, RDS instance we can use or any cloud instance we can use. Anyway, we had already installed MySQL in my local machine. So the fourth dependency is also satisfied. Then we need to, before we run the project, we need to clean and package it, which I already did with the Maven clean command. So once you open this one, the IntelliJ IDEA, you can see the directory structure of the project like this. The main components will be .mv and source and form.xml. As you can see, we had already went through the form.xml earlier. So if you want to download any dependency, there is a Maven button here. You can click that and you can see the options. Sync the Maven project, then they generate the Maven project, etc. etc. So now, once the build is ready, we can just try to run it with this configuration. There is a run debug configuration. You can click here, edit the configuration, and click on Edit, Add New Configuration and select the application. Now I will give a name to the run configuration as run, and I will select JDK 21 from my local machine, which is this one. And then we have to select the main class, which is the first project application. One more option we need is adding dependencies with provided scope to the class path. We can discuss about this in the upcoming videos. Then I will apply it and run. You can see the build is happening and it is starting. As you can see, the first project application has been started and it is running on Tomcat 4080. So this is the way we run the Spring Boot application. In the upcoming videos, we will see more and more operations on how to create the CRUD operation, the create, read, update, and delete operation, etc. in the upcoming videos. Hope you like the video. If you like, please hit the like button and share the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.